Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you how to score 500 plus in NDA 2 2025. First we have to understand syllabus. 300 marks of mathematics came in NDA exam. First one is algebra portion, set chapter and representation of set, modulus function, cube roots, binary system are part of algebra. Algebra consists of around 20 questions, that is equal to 50 marks. Second one is matrices and determinant. Around 8 questions came from matrices and determinant, and the matrices determinant chapter is easy to moderate. You can also follow this chapter. Third one is trigonometry. Angles and their measures in degree, radian trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, height, distance, and everything including trigonometry portion. Trigonometry moderate to difficult chapter. If you will study from right teacher, you can easily able to cope up with this chapter. Fourth one is analytical geometry of 2 and 3 dimension. That is also a easy to moderate chapter. Differential calculus. Sixth one is integral calculus and differential equation. Seventh one is vector algebra, vector in 2 and 3 dimension, magnitude, its null vector, addition of vector, scalar multiplication, scalar product, dot product, vector product, forces in geometrical problems. Vector algebra is also a good topic. Around 4 to 5 questions came from vector algebra. Eighth one is statistics and probability. Statistics, classification of data, frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution, example, graphical, many things. And from probability, random experiment outcomes and associated sample space, events, mutual exclusive and executive events, impossible and certain events. From statistics and probability, every year around 15 questions came. That is more than 35 marks. This is also a good chapter. So these are the chapters of your mathematics that are very important. Next one is GAT portion. Part A is English and part B is general knowledge. 300 200 marks of English came in ND examination. 50 question came. You have to do reading and follow only one teacher. General knowledge. Section A, physics. From physics, the physical property, state of matter, mass, weight, volume, density, and specific gravity. Principle of Archimedes pressure, barometers. Motion of object, velocity, acceleration, many things. Effect of heat and measurement of temperature and heat, sound waves and their property, human eye, spherical mirror lenses, natural and artificial magnets, statistics and current electricity, simple pendulum, simple flips, siphon, levers, balloon pumps, hydrometer, pressure cooker, and so on. Section B is chemistry. Physical and chemical changes, element mixture, compound, symbol, law of chemical combination, property of air and water, acid, basis, salt, carbon, fertilizers, material use, elementary idea about the structure of atom, atomic equivalent, and molecular weight valency. Section C, general science, that is bio. Difference between living and non-living, basis of cell growth and reproduction in plant and animal, food source, energy for man, achievement of eminent scientists. Section D, history, that is of around 80 marks. A broad survey of Indian history, freedom movement in India, elementary knowledge, forces shaping the modern world, etc. Section E, geography, that is also a good subject, that is of around 80 to 100 marks. So you have to do this chapter in good way. The earth, its shape and size, latitude, longitude, interior of earth, origin of earth, ocean, current and tides, atmosphere, Indian climate, natural vegetation, mineral and power, important seaports, and so on. Section F, current affairs. Around 10 questions came from current affairs, so you have to study that also. Okay, this is for today's video. We will meet in next video. So you have any other question, write in comment box. Okay, Jai Hind.